Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. There's the buggy. Yay. Look at this beautiful day. A beautiful day in the desert. You know, we're getting close to bloom time. Things will start blooming. Look at these guys getting all greened up out here. These will actually, oh yeah, look. They're trying. Those will start blooming pretty darn soon. Cool. Alright, well, I'm at the van cave. Go back here. The van cave, I get a ton of questions on this. This is friends of mine. They offered me to use this garage. I kind of camp out up here when I'm here to work on the van. This is not a permanent thing at all. The motorhome's happy in storage too. You seen that the other day. And we're getting ready to travel soon. The clock is ticking. I really want to have this thing travel ready by the end of this month. I'm really getting pushed on time. So here we go. Okay, I got back from Quartzsite pretty late afternoon yesterday. And I spent clear to midnight wiring on this beast. Batteries are fully hooked up. I've been adding electrical plugs, getting the 110 wired in the box, all this stuff. Check it out. That thing is charging even in the shop. Just a reflection. I love it. Those batteries did not drop over 1/10 of a volt overnight. Not even 1/10. Also, I just got these wired in. Watch this. These are the fans. Oop. Let me open it. Turn it on the right way. Those are pulling straight off the solar and the batteries now. They're fully hooked up. Cool. Boy, that puts out some air. That was just on low. That'll really help keep me cool. Alright, well, let me get this closed up. Okay, I will get in. I'll do a final walkthrough on the electrical. I mean, it gets a little, not complicated, but there's quite a bit here. Also, this is fully functional up here now. The charging relay works good. I tested that yesterday going to Quartzsite. All these plugs work. Everything works off the inverter and the batteries. Yay! Okay, today I got a couple hours at least to finish up the wiring. Just some odds and ends. Then I'm going to cut out the frame and we're going to put this bed together today. On the wiring, it's so time consuming. I spend more time. I'm not going to film a bunch of that. Like I said, later I'll go through the nuts and bolts of it. But today I want to have this bed frame done. Done. Lids, everything. Maybe even set the mattress on it. So, saying that, it's still about 8 o'clock in the morning. Hey, did you notice the days are getting longer too? That's kind of nice. Anyway, this weekend the goal, have this done and hopefully I can get some kitchen cabinets set too. Alrighty, well, quit talking, start doing, huh? Alright, I'll be back. Okay, got more of the wiring done. These plugs are live. Check it out. Even put me a little light in here. That way, because this is going to be dark when it's all boxed up. I have a little light. I just added insulation back there over the fender well. So now I've got the pieces cut I'm gonna start building out the frame. So, in saying that, I better get busy. Alrighty, just a quick update. Be back. Alright, update. Yay. Got the frame built. Yay. I'm gonna start putting the sides on it, the end in this, and then I can cut in the plugs down for that end, finish the wiring, and this thing's coming together. Then I'll work on the lid. I'm also gonna make a little shelf over top of the batteries there too. You'll see it, but it's coming along good. Very, very good. I got plenty of wood. Nice day to work in. There's the cabinets, they'll be next. So, alright, I think today will be the day I'll finish this battery box and bed frame. Yay! Okay, get back on it. Next will be the sides. Alright, got the front cut. Looking good. Now I got the end up here. Alright, onward. Alrighty, yay! Got the sides on. Turned out pretty good. Got two 12-volt plugs, the 110, that's a 20 amp. Vent for airflow. Now it's down to the lid. I'm gaining on it. It's taking quite a while. It's getting late in the afternoon now. I've been working on this for over 7 hours now. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, as the sun sets, look, it's getting dark out. It's done, yay. Done enough. One of these days, maybe I can have custom cabinets made. But this is gonna work good. Lid comes up. All the electrical is wired as far as I can go. There's just a couple odds and ends. Batteries, controller, inverters, all done, wired. I'm getting ready to stain. I'm gonna stain this. But all the 12 volts hooked up. I still don't have to deal with the shore power a little bit, but I gotta get parts for that. Here, I'll show you the other side. Okay, got a vent on each end. Plenty of airflow through there. The lids aren't airtight either. 12 volt and 110. Yay. So I'm gonna get some stain on it, call it a night, and then we'll call this a video next time. Gonna set those kitchen cabinets here. See how that turns out. This thing's gonna start filling up quick. Time I get those kitchen cabinets, the refrigerator back there, the little toilet in the back. But I also have a chunk of foam, 10-inch foam, memory foam to go on that. But that's it. Home sweet home. Okay, talk soon.